In this video, what is ClickHouse? You may have heard of the ClickHouse database. In this video, you're going to learn all about it. Let me ask you, have you ever waited minutes or even seconds for a dashboard to load while querying billions of rows? What if I told you there's an open source database that routinely returns complex analytical queries in milliseconds, even on petabyte scale data? And it's powering real-time analytics at companies like Lyft, Tesla, Cisco, and Anthropic. Yes, that is ClickHouse, the fastest growing OLAP database in the world right now. In this video, I'll break down exactly what ClickHouse is, why it's exploding in popularity, how to get it running, killer benefits, and the real trade-offs so that you can decide if it's right for your stack. So let's start with the overview. ClickHouse is a fast, open-source, column-oriented database management system built specifically for online analytical processing, OLAP. Developed originally by Yandex in 2016 and now maintained by a massive community with over 2,700 contributors. It's designed for real-time analytics on huge datasets. Unlike row-oriented databases like Postgres or MySQL that excel at transactions, ClickHouse stores data by columns instead of rows. This means when you run an aggregate query, like summing sales by region across billions of events, it only reads the columns it needs, skipping irrelevant data with smart indexes, and leverages vectorized execution and compression to scream through the work. By early 2026, ClickHouse ships monthly releases packed with improvements. The latest stable branches include 26.1 from January 2026 with the new HTTP API for Keeper. All these different improvements. By the time you see this video, there'll be even more improvements from the massive open source community. So who is ClickHouse for? It's ideal if you need real-time insights from logs, metrics, traces, time series data, event streams, fraud detection, BI dashboards, or ML feature stores. It's not built for high-frequency transactional updates like an e-commerce shopping cart. That's where OLTP databases shine. ClickHouse thrives on append-only or mostly immutable workloads with infrequent updates via lightweight mutations. System requirements are straightforward, but hardware matters a lot for performance. So for a basic single node setup, you'll want at least 4 CPU cores, 8 to 16 gigs RAM, SSD storage, etc. But most systems can support this. You can install this on Ubuntu, which is the most common way. And if you look it up on ClickHouse's website, they'll show you exactly how to get your installation going. So to connect, you'll run ClickHouse, the client from the terminal. It drops you into the SQL shell. Try select version to confirm you're on something like 26.1. For a quick test, you can create a quick table, and that's it. You're live. For production, you have these merge tree family engines, which are the default for most use cases. Add partitioning by date for huge tables. There's all these features that we can get into. There's a lot to love here. But when it comes down to it, what are the real benefits that make people switch? Blazing query speed, often 100x faster than row-oriented systems, and 2 to 10x faster than other cloud warehouses on comparable hardware. You have extreme compression that slashes storage costs. Many users report 4x lower TCO than Snowflake. It ingests data at insane rates, hundreds of thousands to millions of rows per second per node. Developer-friendly SQL with extensions for arrays, maps, geospatial, and now better vector search for Gen AI. So this runs anywhere, and in summary, if your workload involves analyzing massive volumes of data in real time, logs, events, metrics, time series, or BI on steroids, ClickHouse is often unbeatable in 2026. Its monthly innovation pace, community momentum, and raw performance keep it ahead. Start small, install it locally, load some sample data, and run queries you normally hate waiting for. You'll see the difference immediately. If this helped, hit that subscribe button for more deep dives into modern data tools, databases, and performance engineering. Drop a comment below. Have you used it? Have you tried ClickHouse yet? Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.